Bitcoin market is doing now and how to earn $100 from Bitcoin. Right now, among all the digital currencies discussed around the world, the biggest name is Bitcoin. Many people are wondering, is it the right time to invest in Bitcoin? How is the market actually performing? And some are searching for ways to earn their first $100 from Bitcoin. In today's video, we'll discuss everything in simple language, how the Bitcoin market is doing, what causes the price to rise or fall, and how beginners can start earning step by step. Current Bitcoin market situation. First, let's take a look at the current Bitcoin market. By the end of 2025, Bitcoin's price has been showing significant volatility. Whenever there's a major economic announcement or a change in the U.S. Federal Reserve interest rate, Bitcoin reacts quickly. At this moment, Bitcoin's price is moving between $65,000 and $70,000. The main reason behind this price fluctuation is investor psychology. When investors feel confident, they buy in large amounts. When fear takes over, they sell off. And that's what keeps the market moving up and down. Many analysts believe we are entering another bullish cycle for Bitcoin, because major companies like BlackRock, Tesla, and even some countries are now integrating Bitcoin into their financial systems. This shows that Bitcoin is no longer just an experiment. It's becoming a real digital asset. How the price of Bitcoin is determined. The price of Bitcoin is determined by supply and demand. The more people buy, the higher the price goes. When people start selling, the price drops. Also, Bitcoin has a limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This makes it a scarce digital asset, which means that as demand increases, price naturally rises over time. There's also something called a halving event, which happens every 4 years. In each halving, the mining reward for Bitcoin is cut in half. Historically, every halving event has been followed by a massive price surge, because fewer new Bitcoins enter circulation while demand stays high. How to earn $100 from Bitcoin? Now, let's come to the main question. How can you earn $100 from Bitcoin? The answer depends on how you want to approach it, but the three most popular methods are trading, holding, and mining or affiliate income. Trading, buy and sell. The easiest way to make money is through Bitcoin trading, buying when the price is low and selling when it's high. By doing this regularly, you can make small profits daily or weekly. However, trading requires market knowledge and patience. You can use trusted exchanges like Binance, OKX, KuCoin, or Coinbase to start trading safely. Holding or long-term investment. For those who are patient, the best strategy is hodling, buying and holding for the long term. History proves that people who bought Bitcoin back in 2017 for $1,000 are now millionaires. So even if you invest small amounts regularly, time can multiply your profits significantly. Mining or affiliate income. Another way is through mining or affiliate marketing. Mining has become expensive, but there are online cloud mining services and affiliate programs where you can earn small portions of Bitcoin. For example, joining the referral programs of Binance or Coinbase allows you to earn commissions whenever someone signs up using your link. Risks and precautions. But remember, the Bitcoin market is highly volatile. Prices can go up or down dramatically in a single day, and one wrong move can lead to loss. That's why you should always check the market news, learn to read charts, and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Scams are also common in the crypto world. Never send money to unknown websites or offers that look too good to be true. Always use official exchanges and trusted wallets to keep your crypto safe. Chapter 5. Useful tips for beginners. Voice. If you're just starting out, here are a few important tips. Spend 10 to 15 minutes a day reading crypto news. 2. Start small. Even $10 or $20 is fine. 3. Don't panic sell when the market drops. Stay calm and think long-term. 4. Use secure wallets like Trust, Wallet, or Ledger. 5. Don't reinvest everything. Take some profits regularly. The future potential of Bitcoin. Experts around the world predict that Bitcoin's price could reach $100,000 within the next few years. Many countries are already considering making Bitcoin a legal currency. Once governments, companies, and people start using it together, Bitcoin will become a truly global financial asset. But along with opportunity, there's always risk. So plan smartly. and invest wisely, because the future of finance is being built right now. Conclusion. Bitcoin isn't just a coin. It's the beginning of a new financial era. Even if you start small today, the future may reward you in ways you can't imagine. Learn first, invest wisely, and be patient. One day, you might proudly say, "Yes, I earned my first $100 from Bitcoin."